So, this month is a very historical month. It's the Black History Month as well. Without African Americans, minorities in America will not have had the opportunities we have. So, we love you, African Americans. All the Africans from Africa love you. We love you. And thank you for paving the way and fighting for equality and black people rights and all of that. You guys rock. We love you. We love you. I love African Americans. I know a lot of Africans from Africa might say a lot of negative things about African Americans, but I really think African Americans have come a long way. And we as minorities, and especially Africans from Africa, should appreciate all that they have been through fighting for black rights. Please take a moment with me to pray for the African Americans who have lost their lives during slavery, fighting for black rights. Okay, good. Everyone has sacrificed their life for us, and we as a black people will not have had this privilege if it wasn't for those people who have given up their lives to make sure there are more equal rights for us. So really, we appreciate that. And we love you, we love you, we love you. My hat is off to all the African Americans. Salute my African American fellows. I salute to you. Yes, I do. I think that's how you salute also. I don't know. Okay, well, we love you. Love among all blacks, all humans. Spread the love, spread the love. Again, happy Black History Month. We're so happy to be here in the US, and everyone who has lost a relative, ancestor during slavery, I hope they are in a better place, and we totally appreciate their efforts for paving the way and creating a better world for us black people and minorities. We heart you, we heart you. Happy Black History Month again. Black History Month, Black History Month, Black History Month. That's what makes February my favorite month of the year. Well, after March. Because my birthday is in March. March the 3rd is my favorite day in the world. Yes, it is. I can do anything, you can do better. I can do anything, you can do better.